Welcome back now to Primetime Sports, a Friday. Some football now. The JFF's annual general meeting is scheduled for Saturday in St. Mary. But with recent developments in the media, one director is worried about the trajectory of the nation's game under the current administration. Jerome Foster reports.
Boss, you know, you can't manage it. Why bother force it? Because just like my good friend Donald Trump, you couldn't see where this was heading, just with Trump. And you can see where this thing is heading with JFF, where we're going crash and burn.
Danny Beckford, who is the president of the St. Anne, is also frustrated with the lack of accountability shown by other board directors in light of the performance of the Michael Ricketts-led administration.
For years, we have some colleagues where we sit in the board of directors. And right now, the board of directors is coming like a big social club. As far as I'm concerned, the whole aspect, our number one priority is football. Every aspect of football, development, competition, whatever. Most people in business, a man just come in a thing and say, all right, make we sign off on that. And the man say, all right, when we sign and sign.
The Professional Football Jamaica Limited has already raked in 80% of its sponsorship for the National Premier League, and Beckford is worried for the national program that cannot find a sponsor.
It reaches stage about 80 million. Because nobody no want to touch the GFF with not even 10 football, a 20 football. No, it is serious, man. And when you talk to the man, them know, pan a level. So you go in a room and you talk, and the man is coming like a personal thing, like the amount of things where the man, when I say, boss, me could do it the other way, you know, or me could do it that way, you know. When it's not suspension, it's expulsion, not expulsion. Is all sorts of something. And I keep on telling him, say, listen, man, where we're coming from with football development, the social impact that football made. The November morning when in 1997, when we drew with Mexico. The man never did it, brother.
At Saturday's AGM, the long-serving administrator has plans to table two important positions.
The status of the president so far, really the FIFA Ethics Committee breach also. Tenure of the GenSec himself, because from my standpoint, from the GenSec came in, there was no problem because he's a man we know, and you know the prerogative is the president for hire GenSec and so on and so on. But some persons that ask questions about the GenSec tenure. Between here we have a board of directors, and I know you don't have nothing. You don't know the contractual arrangement. You don't know his remuneration. We only personally here out of the road.
Beckford was speaking on Hits 92 FM Sports Grill on Thursday. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.
In the meantime, in a follow-up to that story, in September, TVJ Sports got wind that some members of the JFF were unaware of the contract given to the General Secretary, Dalton Wint, before it was offered to him. We asked President Michael Ricketts then about the allegation, but he was quick to point out there was nothing to hide regarding Wint's contract.
I have no idea what you're talking about, and I'm going to say again that board members have the authority to look at any document that's at the JFF. If they want to look at the contract of the General Secretary, they do have the authority to do so. The precedence has been set, and I'm saying again that any board member who wants to look at the contract for any staff member, you do have the authority to do so.